Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back to share with you guys one of my favorite things. It's probably a favorite of a lot of women and probably a lot of men too. But I'm talking about fragrances, you guys, perfumes. I love perfumes. And there is a relatively new company on the market that I want to share. It is called Dossier, you guys. They produce high-end luxury fragrances at a fraction of the price that we generally pay. And they have a really cute concept. I have 3 fragrances to share with you guys. And the first one is called Oriental Woody. It comes in a box like this. I love the pop of color inside. You have a full-size 50 milliliter fragrance, and then you have a tester. And it also comes with the card. The card tells you what perfume it's inspired by. Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle. And then it tells you what the top notes are. This one is hyacinth, citron zest, and the middle notes, iris, jasmine, pink pepper. The base notes, patchouli, vanilla, and vetiver, I think. And then it also has the ingredients on the bottom. This says any scent you order comes with a little sample that you can try and test before opening the 50 milliliter bottle. Don't like it? Just return the package with the unsealed 50 milliliter bottle and you will get a full refund. Returns are free, no questions asked. I absolutely love it. Like, what's not to love about this, you guys? So that first scent was Oriental Woody. We've got the second scent right here. It's called Floral 3. Again, we know what it looks like inside. This one inspired by Chanel's number 5. So clearly there was a theme here, you guys. I was like Chanel across the board. And like I said, I've tried all 3 scents and nothing's being returned, you guys. I love them all. Love. Oh, God. This one is like baby powder. I'm obsessed with baby powder. So I love this. So the number one thing that I love about Dossier, you guys, is that they produce high-end quality fragrances comparable to names like Dior, Versace, Chanel, and they're able to offer it to us for 90% less than what those brands sell their products for, because obviously there's no brand tax, there's no advertising, there's no marketing, there's no packaging. Same quality scents inspired by all the high-end designer fragrances. You can shop without the worry of, what if I don't like it? What if it's not a good scent for me? That is why it actually comes with a tester, you guys. And what happens is if you order from them and you find that the scent is not really for you, you don't like it, you have this tester here. You can try it. You have up to 30 days, no commitment, 30 days to return the full size 50 milliliter bottle unopened, free returns for a full refund. A full refund, you guys. This is something that should definitely be on your list of things to check out. Again, it's Dossier. Very simple packaging. Nice pop of color. They obviously only spent their money where it really mattered, and that's on the fragrance. The fragrance is bomb. Smells amazing. Check it out, you guys. Links will be below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.